In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in a Salesforce email template. Having a clear unsubscribe option in your emails is important not only for compliance, but also for building trust with your audience. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the Salesforce interface so you can confidently update any email template you're using. First, go ahead and log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce home screen, look over to the left-hand side for the toolbar. There, you'll find the app launcher, which is usually represented by a grid of dots. Click on the app launcher to open it. When the app launcher panel appears, you'll see a list of apps and items. In the search bar at the top, type email templates to quickly locate it. When email templates appears in the results, click on it to open the email templates area. You should now see a list of existing templates. Find the specific email template where you want to add the unsubscribe link. You can scroll through the list or use the search box at the top of the page to search by template name. Once you've located the correct template, click on its name to open the detailed view. Inside the email template, look towards the top right corner of the page for the edit option. Click edit. This will open a pop-up window where you can modify the content of the template. In this pop-up, look for the main message content field. This is where the body of your email lives, and it's where you'll place your unsubscribe link. Click inside this field and move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the unsubscribe option to appear. A common place is near the bottom of the email, after your main message and signature, but before any legal text. Now, type or paste your unsubscribe merge field. This is the special Salesforce field that automatically generates the unsubscribe link for each recipient. Make sure you use the exact merge field your organization has configured for unsubscribe functionality so that it works properly when the email is sent. Once you're happy with the placement and text around that link, double-check the rest of your content for any typos or formatting issues. When everything looks good, click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up window to apply your changes to the template. And that's it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your Salesforce email template.